So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Environmental Science Week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is, which of the following geothermal power plant types is most suitable for low enthalpy resources less than 150 degrees Celsius? So these are the option: dry steam plant, flash steam plant, binary cycle plant, combined cycle plant. So the answer of our first question is C, binary cycle plant. Now, the second question is, which of the following best describes the principle of enhanced geothermal systems, EGS? So, these are the option, and the answer of our second question is B, increasing the permeability of hot, dry rock through hydraulic fracturing. Now, let's go to third question. Which of the following is a second generation biofuel? So, these are the option, and the answer of our third question is D, ethanol produced from fibrous sugarcane residue left after juice extraction. Now, the fourth question is, which of the following expressions correctly represent the relationship between the theoretical wave power per unit length of wave creation, wave height, and wave period in deep water? So, these are the option. And the answer of our fourth question is D, P directly proportional to H square dot T square. Now, let's go to fifth question. Ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC systems are best suited for dash regions where the temperature difference between surface seawater and deep ocean water is most pronounced. So these are the option: tropical, subtropical, temperate, polar. So the answer of our fifth question is A, tropical. Now let's go to sixth question. In a tidal barrage system, maximum energy extraction occurs when the turbine operates. So these are the option: only during the flood tide, only during the ebb tide, during both the flood and ebb tides, only at peak high tide. So the answer of our sixth question is C, during both the flood and ebb tides. Now the seventh question is, which of the following best describes run of the river hydroelectric power plant? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is D. They rely primarily on the river's natural flow. Now let's go to eighth question. Which of the following is a significant ecological concern when constructing multi-purpose dams? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B. Disruption of local wildlife migration and aquatic ecosystem. Now let's go to ninth question. Which of the following is a thermochemical conversion process for bioenergy production? So these are the option: gasification, fermentation, transesterification, anaerobic digestion. So the answer of our ninth question is A, gasification. Now let's go to 10th question. Which of the following best describes the digest state produced from the anaerobic digestion of bio waste? So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C, a nutrient rich organic residue widely used as a biofertilizer. Now let's go to 11th question. Which of the following statement accurately describe the origin of geothermal energy? So the answer of our 8th question is A, geothermal energy is derived from the decay of radioactive isotopes deep within the earth crust, and B, geothermal energy is the result of residual heat from the planet's formation and early accretion. Now let's go to 12th question. Which of the following statement about ocean energy are correct? So these are the option, and the answer of our 12th question is all of the above, A, B, C, D. Now the 13th question is, which of the following are potential sources of bioenergy feedstocks? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is also all, A, B, C, D. Now the 14th question is, which of the following technologies are used for harnessing wave energy? So these are the option: attenuator, overtopping device, horizontal axis turbine, point absorber. So the answer of our 14th question is A, C, and D. Now the 15th question is, which of the following are primary objectives of the pre-treatment of lignocellulosic biomass prior to its use as feedstock for biofuel production? So these are the option, and the answer of our 15th question is also all, A, B, C, D. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.